Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert headings to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a text editor called Sublime Text or any other text editor you wish to use. So we're gonna go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text. Open this up and then the work from the previous tutorial should show up. If not, go to File, Open, and then the relevant text file for you to restart the tutorials. So now for this tutorial, we will be adding a couple of headers and then executing the file to see what this looks like on any web browser. So go to body. Within body, we need less than h1, greater than, less than, slash, autofill. Within this, we can have heading 1. And now we can highlight the line of code which we just typed in and paste 5 times. And then change H1 to 2, 3, all the way to 6. Likewise with heading 1, 2, 3. All the headings have now been inserted. Headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, whereas H6 defines the least important heading. We can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, My YouTube channel in Documents, YouTube Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, and now we see the index.html file. Right click, open with Safari. Minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, decrease the size of Sublime Text Edit, and now we can work on both windows at the same time to see what is happening simultaneously. So we have a website on the right hand of your page that shows heading 1 to heading 6. We have the code on the left hand side, and that's how you insert headings to your index.html text edit file, and then open up with Safari. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.